RiseAbsorb is redefining what growers expect from phosphate fertilizer. Backed by data and built for performance, RiseAbsorb helps reduce phosphorus losses, improve uptake, and boost ROI without increasing input costs. Join the next wave of growers switching to the next generation of phosphorus fertilizers by visiting phospholutions.com.
Bernard Tobin here at the Farm Progress Show over at John Deere now, catching up with Josh Ladd. Josh, how's it going?
It's going great. It's a beautiful day. If I told you I was wearing a jacket in August in Illinois, I would not believe you.
It is a cooler day, that's for sure, Josh. Great to be with you. Hey, I want to talk about See Spray. Obviously, some spraying technology we've been seeing for a number of years now. You've got some updates, but first of all, let's talk about the Canadian perspective. What's happening? Where are you seeing See Spray across the country?
Yeah, so I think Canada has really taken to our See Spray technology over the last several years. We do have a couple different products within the See Spray umbrella, and I think depending on where you are within the country, the options that you see running around may look a little different. The further west that you go, Saskatoon and kind of west from there, that's really where we start to see our See Spray Select technology really running in a significant way. Green on brown, doing really targeted application in the fallow passes, which we know is really important for our small grain farmers. The further east you go, as you get into some of the more row crop with corn and soybean, that's where you may see a See Spray Premium machine or a See Spray Ultimate like I have behind me here, doing the targeted application in the corn and soybean crops that we know are a little bit more prominent in the eastern provinces.
Now for Select, I want to talk about Precision Upgrade Kit. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we've had See Spray Select in market for the last few years, and since we brought it to market, it was always only available as a factory installed option. And as we've seen more and more farmers starting to use See Spray Select, specifically in Western Canada, one of the common questions that we would usually get at Ag in Motion and meeting with customers is, how can I get this not on a brand new sprayer? And so we were really excited that this year we officially rolled out a precision upgrade kit for our See Spray Select option going back to 2018 or newer John Deere sprayers. So for customers that have a sprayer today with Exact Apply, some of the foundational technology that powers See Spray, there is now a precision upgrade path that doesn't necessarily require a purchase of a new machine. We can absolutely put the technology on as a factory installed option, but we can now go again back to 2018 or newer sprayers that are looking to add the tech to their machine today.
Where can growers get more information about that?
I always tell people to talk to your local John Deere dealer, right? We do have some great information on Deere.ca, but your John Deere dealer is going to be the best resource. They know the product, they've been around it for years, they have the parts and the knowledge to support it. So definitely talk to your John Deere dealer.
Yeah, I want to also talk about a new variable rate applicator.
Yeah, so one of the things that we also introduced this year specifically for See Spray Select that we're really excited about the value it's going to provide to our small grains farmers is the ability to now do a variable rate for those later season passes. So when we move beyond herbicide, when we start to get into fungicide or desiccation or pre-harvest, we know that a varying rate of application is now possible with See Spray Select. And so as an operator, they can set their bands, if you will, right? This product can be applied from X GPA up to Y GPA, and the system, based on the biomass that we detect as we make the pass, will vary the rate of application, still staying within those bands. And so a tremendous savings, not only in fungicide, but definitely in desiccation and in pre-harvest, and also the confidence as you're making those later season passes that you are applying only the appropriate amount of product on any given acre across the entirety of your operation.
Hey, last spray topic to touch on, multi-rate with Exact Apply.
So our Canadian farmers have really taken to our Exact Apply technology over the last 5-6 years as we've brought it to market. And so one of the things we're really excited about this year that we again think is going to bring a tremendous value is the introduction of multi-rate using Exact Apply. We are now able to vary the rate of application simultaneously across each of the 11 unique sections of the boom, as long as there is a preloaded prescription or data layer that is telling the sprayer when and where to vary the rate of application. So for farmers that are working with a local crop consultant or agronomist or doing drone scouts or getting some satellite imagery before they go and spray, they can now load that data into their sprayer, and the machine knows where to vary the rate of application. So maybe on the inner wing, on a particular pass, you need to be at 15 gallons an acre, while on the end of the boom, you need to be running at 10 gallons an acre. We can now do that on the machine without any input from the operator as the machine is making the pass through the field, so long as there is that preloaded prescription making the decision on where we need to vary the rate of application.
Well, great stuff, Josh. Appreciate you taking some time for Real Agriculture here at the Farm Program Show.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm always happy to talk with you. Thank you.